Hi guys, in this video we are going to teach you how to make GIFs and animation with Photoshop. It's so cool, and if you want to learn how to do that, watch the rest of the video. Welcome to the Atria Graphics channel. In this channel we are going to how to teach several of softwares, and if you like this video, press the subscribe button and hit the bell to get a notification whenever we upload a video, and leave a comment if you had any questions. Alright, let's go. We are going to make GIFs in Photoshop, and we are using these two images, this and this, for our video. And I just download in this Google and I search character animation and I download that. First of all, we are copy this layer just in case and hide that, and we are going to do this layer and make selections. It's not going to be a perfect selection because our background is white and it's not necessary. Alright, and hit the Ctrl J to copy this layer, and next. Okay, and I'm using lasso tool. Ctrl J again. All right, Ctrl J. Again. And Ctrl J. All right, and we are making new layer, and it's going to be under these layers, and we are going to set in white color. Okay, and we are going to a window and timeline. All right, we are making this choice, create frame animation, and click on that and hold shift to select all and choose multiply. Okay, this is our first frame, and we are choosing with this option we are going to make a new frame. We are going to our first frame and unhide these layers. Okay, this is our first frame, and I want this layer is going to be here. Okay, we are going to a second frame. All right, and it's going to be here. Okay, again, our next frame here. All right, next frame. Oops, I'm sorry. Here, and last frame here. All right, it's ready. Press the shift and click that, and hold shift and right click and choose for this image is 0.2 is good, and just play that. All right, here it's our two layers. Hide. Okay, we just unhide that, I'm sorry, and play that, and this is our GIFs. This is so good, and you can just uh, do that. It's going to be slower. It's not bad, but I choose this. This is good, I guess. All right, this is our GIF. All right, we are going to the next image and zoom out. Just like other image, I copy that layer and I select this image like this. Okay, and with lasso, I pressed Alt to unselect this part of picture. Okay, Control J. Okay, I'm not going to copy this layer. I want to cut this layer. So we are press the Shift Control J and unhide this layer. All right, and again. Okay, I'm sorry. All right, it's good. Shift Control J. Okay, again. Shift Control J to cut this. Again. All right, zoom, and again we choose lasso tool, press Alt. All right, Shift Control J. Oops, I'm sorry. Okay, lasso, pressing Alt, Shift Control J, and oh, okay, Shift Control J. All right, this layer I'm going to set a white background, and we are just hit that again. Okay, I'm going to, all right, it's going to be here, perfect, and I select them all, go here and choose multiply, new frame. Here is good, new frame again. Oops, I'm sorry. Okay, I guess here is good. New frame. All right. And again, new frame. All right, here is good. And last frame. All right, let's see. Press Shift, select all, and holding Shift and right click and choose 0.2 for this image. Play. Okay, it's so fast, I guess. Let's try 0.5. This is so good. Okay, and for export this file, we are going to file and export and save for web. And in here, we choose GIF. And for perfect resolution, we select this option and save. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell to get a notification whenever we are upload a video, and leave a comment when you have any questions.